Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of NFTs. Non-fungible tokens have taken the digital realm by storm, with endorsements from celebrities and tech icons. Although the initial hype of multi-million-dollar NFT sales has simmered down, NFTs are here to stay, offering new possibilities at more accessible price points. From CryptoPunks to Bored Ape Yacht Club, NFTs have captured our attention. But what exactly are NFTs? Let's break it down for newcomers. NFTs are unique digital assets that use blockchain technology to establish ownership and authenticity. They've revolutionized the art market and even allowed tweets to be sold for millions. Curious about creating your own NFT? It's simpler than you might think. Let's dive into the process step by step. Step 1. Choosing your content. The journey begins by selecting the content you want to transform into an NFT. Ensure it's something you've created or have the rights to, especially if you plan to sell its ownership. Whether it's digital art, videos, photographs, or music files, NFTs offer endless creative possibilities. If your content can be digitized, you're on the right track. Step 2. Blockchain and wallet setup. Moving forward, you'll need to choose a blockchain and acquire some cryptocurrency. Ethereum is a popular choice due to its acceptance and compatibility with NFTs. You may also explore lazy minting to share some fees with buyers. NFT marketplaces like OpenSea are waiting for your creations. To get started, set up a cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase. Marketplaces usually charge a percentage of the sale price. Step 3. Crafting your NFT. Now comes the exciting part, creating your NFT. Marketplaces offer an option to create an NFT. You'll upload your digital file, such as JPGs, PNGs, GIFs, or MP4s. Name, describe your creation, and choose a blockchain. Step 4. Pricing and formats. It's time to set the price for your NFT. While any currency can be used, Ethereum and Binance Coin are popular choices. Decide between an auction or fixed price sale. Remember, listing fees vary based on the sales format. As a seller, understand the fee structure. Auctions and fixed price sales have different fee implications. Gas fees and transaction costs are essential considerations. Remember, taxes may apply to your NFT sales gains. Congratulations, you're now equipped to embark on your NFT journey. From creating digital art to minting tokens, NFTs offer a whole new way to showcase and sell your creations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting crypto insights.